For the so I'm trying to graph this, and the window, the minimum is gonna be -180, and the maximum is going to be 180 for the x-axis, right?
Yes.
And for the vertical,
you can choose maximum is 5 because the whole thing here will be definitely less than 5, which is 2 plus 3, because sine and cosine both values are smaller than 1.
I tried typing in like 2 sine x squared plus 3 cosine into the graphing, and I got a really long graph. Can you also try it as well?
Equal to 0. Okay, let me try that. Graph exit, delete this graph. 2 sine square.
You type in a function.
Put the x first before squaring it. Delete this thing. Sine x here, and then square this whole thing. Now, it can be misunderstood as the square of x, huh? So I need to put a bracket in front of here. A bracket like this, and then square it later. Okay, and then add it with 3 cosine x, just this function. Okay, now I change the window from minus 180 to 180, and the minimum is from -5 to the maximum +5. Not necessarily -5. It could be like -1, but just assume to be -5, huh? And then draw. Okay, we see the graph. And now we find the value of x, so that this function, this on the left here, is 0. Okay, so for x calculation, the value of y to be 0. Okay, enter. We have, meaning the y-intercept, we have 2 y-intercept here, minus 120 degrees and positive 120 degrees. Okay.
Okay. All right, done for 7B. I would assume the question 8 is also pretty similar to question 7A, right?
Yes, you're right. Let's see if we need to solve. Yeah, you need to write 2 more steps. Huh? The cosine theta equal to -1/2, giving the value of theta to be 120 degrees. Cosine -1/2. Yeah, here, this position. Yeah, 120 degrees, and cosine of theta to be 2, giving, wait, cannot be 2, huh? It cannot be 2 because the maximum value of cosine is 1. Yeah. So we have 2 value, plus or minus 120 degree for this equation. Okay, you need to write one more step like this.